Hi all, welcome back. Today I am sharing another day in my life vlog, sharing few clips from the daily life of a mom with 3 kids. It's a cold December morning. When kids don't have school, I get up at 6 in the morning. After offering my prayers, I come to the kitchen and I like to start my day with a glass of warm water. I try to drink water in 3 sips. Now I am preparing dough for rotis. I'm adding some salt and I like to add a spoon of barley powder to make the rotis more nutritious. Since it's cold, I'm using warm water to knead the dough. Now it will rest for 20 minutes. As an accompaniment with roti, I am preparing one pot dal, which is very easy to prepare, and I usually prepare this for breakfast. For this I am going to take 1 cup of red lentils, going to wash it nicely. I am soaking it in water for few minutes. In a pressure cooker, I am going to take 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is heated, I am going to add 1 onion which I have sliced nicely. Adding some mustard leaves and 3 cloves of garlic which I have crushed. Now saute it well until the onions are nice golden brown. Going to add 2 green chilies, handful of curry leaves, and going to add the dal and fry it on low flame for few seconds. Adding a pinch of turmeric powder. Also adding some salt to taste. Fry the dal well. Adding a handful of chopped coriander leaves. And for half cup of dal, I am going to add 1 cup of water. Now I am going to pressure cook it for 1 whistle. Here I am preparing rotis. Rotis are staple breakfast in my house, and this is how I prepare rotis for everyone in the house. The dough is well rested. As a mother, you prepare every meal in the house with an intention that this meal gives health and happiness to the kids. I do the same. All the while preparing, I pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that this food brings happiness, health and joy into my house. This is how my grandmother used to make rotis, and I follow the same method. All the while preparing food alone in the kitchen, I think about my childhood and beautiful, precious moments that I spent throughout. I also think about the simple sacrifice and selfless love of parents, how they easily sacrifice the sleep in cold morning which is so dear for their kids' well-being and happiness. After I am a mom, the respect for my parents and the love for my parents has increased many folds. I pray with every breath that my parents are always happy and healthy. I am setting the table for my husband who has to leave to work. He likes to start his day with yogurt in breakfast, and along with rotis, he loves to have his cup of ginger tea or chai. He left for office. Kids are still sleeping, and after they wake up and after they finish their breakfast, we are going to do a project together. I like to do any craft project with the kids during their holidays. This helps me bond well with the kids. It is amazing how colors bring life and happiness into a lifeless drawing. This is a designed project, design module to store color pens, and this is a project for this vacations. Today is a special family dinner and I am preparing chicken mandi. I have already uploaded the recipe of chicken mandi. You can check it out. For special evenings like this is what we strive for. I am serving mandi with some onion and tomato salad. And some special times we like to have a dinner sitting on the floor. Family chit chat and gossip to keep us entertained. Thank you for being with me and watching my vlogs.